In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your next presentation using Gemini. We all know the pain of staring at a blank slide, waiting time on fonts, layouts. It's frustrating. But what if I told you you could get a complete first draft of your presentation and speaker notes in minutes? Well, you can do this now in Gemini. You can create a first draft of your presentation using the Canvas mode. But just a quick reminder, as I always say, AI will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, but remember, you are the human in the loop. So you will need to go through and double check everything and just give it that final polish. So let's get into it. So to get started, we simply go to gemini.google.com. And once you're here, what you want to make sure you click on is Tools. Then go down to Canvas. Now I've got my prompt already created, and I'm just going to paste that in here. So the key word to make sure you are using is create a presentation. Well, I've said act as a presentation creator and draft a comprehensive 10-slide presentation outline. Now, another thing to make sure you do before you hit submit is make sure you are using the thinking mode. Now, once we've done that, we just hit submit. It will have a think about it. And when you know you're in the right place is when it starts to mention it is planning the slide structure. So there we go, we're in the right place. And just bear in mind, it can take some time to generate this as well. As you can see, our presentation has been created. Remember, this has come from one simple prompt. Let's just click through. So I've clicked through and look at that, really good. It's even got the images in there as well, nicely laid out. So it's removed all that friction. And the best bit I like about it is as you go towards the end of the presentation, it will also give your images sources. But before I export this to slides, what I want to do while I'm here is actually get my speaker notes as well. So I'm going to click on the microphone as that's how I really like the prompt. Please could you create me speaker notes for each of the slides, making sure the speaker notes are engaging and sound human-like. Just going to hit submit there. And then that will generate the speaker notes as well that I can then copy over into Google Slides. Remember, I would always edit my speaker notes because I don't want to sound like a robot and I really want them to sound like me. And there you go. Here are the first draft of my speaker notes. So I've got that. I'm happy with that. So I could download this as a PDF. So I click on there. That will start downloading the slides as a PDF. I could share this canvas to a colleague if I wanted to. But what we are going to do is we're going to click on export to slides. So I'm going to click on export to slides. There we go. That's been exported to slides. And as you can see in the left-hand corner, I can just click on open in slides. So this will open up in Google Slides. So here's my presentation in Google Slides now. So I can go through and edit this slide deck. Another thing I want to show you while we're here as well, and this came out recently, is this slide looks a bit dry. So I could click on Beautify this slide, and what it will do is turn this into a more creative, engaging slide. It's a bit subjective if you like what it produces, but yes, I can just click on Beautify Slides. That will generate a new slide as well. You do have to be a bit patient as it can take some time to do it. There we go. I've got a more engaging and probably better drafted slide title from the beginning. And I can simply just click on the drop down and click insert, or just click insert as new slide. And there we go. I could then just get rid of this. And now this is my title slide. A lot more engaging, visually better to look at as well. Another thing is I could go through here, and if there are any images that I didn't want, I could also change. So actually the images have done quite a good job, but let's just say I want this to be a man or a female. So I want to change this image to a female. So what I'm going to do is on the right hand side, I've got the banana icon. I can click on that, and then I have the options of insert a new slide, so I can describe what the slide might look like. I could also create a new image using Nano Banana, or I could create an infographic. But for now, what I want to do is just to create an image. So I'm going to click on image, and I'm going to say, please could I have a woman in her mid-30s working on a Chromebook. There we go. I like that image, and I can just click on here and click replace because I'm already clicked onto that image, and there we go, it's replaced it. So I can go through and add my own images as well from using Nano Banana to prompt too. And yeah, I think that is just really handy and quickly done. We have created a presentation from scratch using a prompt. We've been able to go into Google Slides and edit any elements we weren't really happy with. And we've used actually Beautify slide option, and then we've also inserted a new image. We could have also created an infographic, but for the purpose of this video, I think we've covered enough. I'm actually going to do that in my next video, showing you how to use Nano Banana to create infographics as well as in Notebook LM. Anxiety over of that blank screen of where to start from on your Google Slides. See you on the next one.